how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you doing it. So first of all, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So open your favorite browser, if it's Chrome or whatever browser you'd like, and then open Google Maps, which is this one. Then search for the United States, because that's the market we're going to apply this method to. It's the best market we can apply to anyways. You can find a lot, it's where you can find a lot of small business owners that are eager and passionate to get more clients and are available to reach out to all or call. So here, zoom in on the states and make sure to choose a particular city or state to start with. So for example, here I'm going to choose Indiana here, Indiana city, for example. So let's zoom in on Indiana. Here, Indianapolis, and go again to the search and type whatever kind of small business you'd like to search for. So for example, let's go with plumber, or let's go with auto repair, garages, for example. And here, click on search to see all of the auto repair garages that are available in this town or this city. And here you will see all of the results. So guys, in order to find the best small business that we can reach out to, make sure always to look or to check the reviews, the number of reviews. If it's more than 150 reviews, that means this business is way out of our league. Just go to another one or go for the ones with less than 150 reviews. And also make sure that they don't have a sponsored written in the top of their profile, because that means they are paying in order to show in the first, or in order to rank in the first place in the search, which means they have someone taken care of their Google Maps profile. So here, let's scroll down to find our best prospect, something like this one, 101 reviews, 4.7 stars. There is no website. That means we can also offer to create a website for them. So here, let's scroll down to see if they have a website. They don't have one, as you can see. And if you scroll down, we can also look for the bad reviews that we are going to offer to remove. So let's scroll down to see if we can find some bad reviews that they would like to remove. And guys, make sure always to search for the bad reviews, because those are what are going to help us to convince the business owner to purchase our service. Because if you take a screenshot of the bad review, then you say that this review is giving you a bad reputation in the market, it's destroying your business, and it's preventing you from getting more clients, the business owners would be in need for us to remove that review, and they would pay us to deliver that service easily. So here, let's just scroll down to see if we can find some bad reviews that we can use to convince them to purchase our service. So here, let's scroll down, and this is the first bad review. It's 1 star and it's from a year ago. Honestly, not a good experience. I have a 2007 Corvette that didn't have any issues. I had them put a radiator $500 on. Then they said I needed a harmonic balancer, which was $1,100. Then a day later, I had a breakdown. Come to find out now, I need a water pump. They acted as if they didn't know this. Now I had to pay $1,200, and he basically said, oh well, things happen. So this is his Corvette. As you can see, it's a car that doesn't even deserve what happened to it. That's a shame, and also that's a very, very bad thing to be known for, destroying a beautiful car like that. That would give a very bad reputation for them in the market, and will give us also a very great card to convince them to purchase our service. So let's see if we can find another bad review, and this is the response from the owners. Hey Eric, we are sorry that you feel this way. So your car had some issues and it was leaking coolant, and that was the reason you brought it to the shop. Then after checking it out, our technician found that your radiator is leaking coolant, and also the harmonic balancer was bad and wobbling. So here they are trying to clear their name, but even though the people would focus more on the bad review and they won't focus on the response. And also it's bad that it's from a local guide, because the local guides in Google Maps are very trusted. So that means that we can convince this business owner to purchase our service easily. And guys, if you are wondering how can we deliver the services without even having a skill, you just, after you land the client, you'll just go to fiverr.com. It's where you can get a freelancer to do the job instead of you doing it. So here, for example, I convinced this business owner to pay me $200 in order to remove the bad reviews from their profile and also to create a website for them. Then I will just go to fiverr.com, and here the first one I will go to this freelancer, which will remove the bad reviews for the business, and I will pay him $25, and I will be left with $175, and he will deliver the service of removing the bad reviews. Then in the website service, I will just type website in the search, and I will look for someone who can deliver the service also for $80, like this one here. He will deliver the service for $80, and I would be left with $95 without even doing any job, or without even learning any skill. So I think, guys, you get the idea. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.